Magandang araw uli! Ngayon, ang pag-aaralan natin ay multiplication of fractions, mixed numbers, and whole numbers. Ang una nating halimbawa ay 1/3 times 1/2. Pag nagmumultiply ng fractions, minumultiply lang natin ang numerator at ang denominator. Hindi na natin kailangang kunin ang LCD kahit pa sila ay dissimilar fractions. So halimbawa, 1 times 1 is 1. 3 times 2 is 6. Ang 1/6 ay final answer na dahil ang 1 at ang 6 ay wala ng common factor bukod sa 1. So ito ang final answer. So again, multiply the numerators, multiply the denominators, then always reduce the answer to lowest term. So our next example is 1 and 2/5 times 1 and 1/4. Sa gantong pagkakataon, ang mga given ay mixed numbers. Kung ang given ay mixed numbers, kailangan muna silang i-change sa improper fraction. So 5 times 1 is 5 plus 2, that is 7. Copy the same denominator, which is 5. Next, 1 and 1/4, i-change natin sa improper. So, 4 times 1 is 4 plus 1 is 5. And then, copy the same denominator, which is 4. Now, we can proceed with multiplication. 7 times 5 is 35. 5 times 4 is 20. 35/20ths is an improper fraction. So, ang final answer, kailangan i-change sa mixed number. 35 divided by 20, 1. 1 times 20 is 20. Subtract 15. So, this one is the whole number. This one is the numerator. And then copy the same denominator. And then 15/20ths is not yet in its lowest term kasi pwede pa siyang i-divide. Pwede pang i-divide yung 15 at saka yung 20 sa 5. So 15 divided by 5 is 3. 20 divided by 5 is 4. Don't forget the whole number. So the answer is 1 and 3/4. So, ang pangatlo nating halimbawa ay 1/8 times 9. Ang 9 ay whole number. Ang 1/8 ay proper fraction. Sa gantong pagkakataon, ang 9 o kahit na ano pang whole number, meron yung denominator na 1. So, bakit magkakaroon ng denominator na 1? So, halimbawa, 9 over 1, 9 divided by 1 is equal to 9. So, kahit ano pa yan, halimbawa, 10, meron niyang denominator lagi na 1 dahil siya ay whole number. 10 divided by 1 is equal to 10. Sa panghalimbawa, kunyari ay 200, meron niyang denominator palagi na 1 kahit hindi nakasulat. So, 200 divided by 1 is 200. So, ang lahat ng whole number, meron niyang denominator na 1. So, let's proceed with multiplication of the numerator. So, 1 times 9 is 9. And then, 8 times 1 is 8. So, 9/8 is an improper fraction. So, kailangan natin siyang i-change sa mixed form. So, 9 divided by 8. 9 divided by 8 is 1. 1 times 8 is 8. Subtract, that is 1. So again, this one is the whole number. This one is, the remainder is the numerator. And then always copy the same denominator. So the final answer is 1 and 1/8. So the next one is multiplying a fraction by its reciprocal. Pag sinabing reciprocal, pinagpapalit natin ang position ng numerator at denominator. Halimbawa, yung 2/8, ang reciprocal niyan ay 8/2. And then pag pinag-multiply natin, 2 times 8 is equal to 16. 8 times 2 is equal to 16. Kapag ang numerator at denominator ay equal, yan ay equal sa 1 whole. So another one is 1 and 1/3. So in this case, kailangan muna natin siyang i-change sa improper. So 3 times 1 is 3 plus 1 is 4. And then copy the denominator 3. Yung 1 and 1/3 is 4/3. So, kunin natin ang reciprocal ng 4/3. Pagpapalitin natin ang position ng numerator at denominator, yan ay 3/4. And then, let's multiply. 4 times 3 is equal to 12. 3 times 4 is equal to 12. So, kung 12 twelfths, ito ay equal sa 1 whole. Parehas ang numerator at ang denominator. So, tandaan, kapag minumultiply natin ang number sa kanyang reciprocal o ang fraction sa kanyang reciprocal, ang katumbas nito ay 1 whole.